Welcome to Children's Park, where fun and learning go hand in hand. Today, we're going on a colorful flower adventure with our friend Lily, the little girl on her bicycle. Let's go! First up, we have the beautiful rose, the queen of flowers. Roses can be red, pink, yellow, or white, and they smell so lovely. Can you say rose? Next, we have the lotus, a magical flower that grows in water. Look how it floats so gracefully. Let's say lotus together. Here's the hibiscus, a bright and cheerful flower that loves the sun. Hibiscus flowers come in many colors, like red, pink, yellow, and white. Can you spot your favorite color? Look at the marigold. Its bright orange and yellow colors make it a cheerful sight in any garden. Let's clap and say marigold. Here's the jasmine, with its tiny white flowers and delightful scent. Can you pretend to smell the jasmine? Let's say jasmine together. Look at the sunflower, standing tall and proud. Sunflowers are like happy suns smiling down at us. Can you say sunflower? Finally, we have the tulip, with its elegant shape and rainbow of colors. Tulips love to bloom in spring. Which color tulip do you like best? You did it, little explorers. We learned about so many beautiful flowers today. Roses, lotuses, hibiscus, marigolds, jasmine, sunflowers, and tulips. What a colorful adventure we've had. Thank you for joining us on this flower adventure at Children's Park. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Children's Park, for more exciting adventures and fun learning videos. See you next time.